Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher. Today I'm going to show you box 1 of the Crochet Society. Now, I didn't subscribe from the very beginning. You will have seen some previous episodes, I guess, some previous unboxing of the boxes that I've got. I haven't got them from the first one, but there were still some in the shop over lockdown, so I thought, well, I need something to work on really, and thought I would get box 1 because I've seen lots of projects come from it now and I actually really liked what was inside. So here is box 1. This is where it all started nearly a year ago now, or over a year ago, because we're on box 14, so over a year ago it started with this box, and this is the first time I'm opening it. I've seen pictures of it, I've seen what people have made from it, but now it's my turn to open it as well and share it with you guys. So here we go. So bearing in mind this was the very first box, it says "but first crochet," which cannot be more accurate. So let's have a look what we've got. So it comes with 2 balls of Peep yarn, one in the grey, I'm going to put it down, one in the grey and one in like a dusty mint colour. So the grey is called Tin Man and the dusty one is called Seahorse. They are by West Yorkshire Spinners, so they are Peep yarn by West Yorkshire Spinners in DK. They are so soft and squidgy. Super soft. They are 50-gram balls, but they look quite big actually for 50-gram balls, and they have 112 meters. They are DK, and they're actually really lovely colors. I was a bit surprised actually. I thought they were going to be a little bit duller from what I've seen pictures of, but they're actually really nice. We have pack of stuffing. I've now learned that every single one comes with a pack of stuffing because there is some sort of 3D amigurumi piece. There is some confetti, which I've now got everywhere. Oh, this is really sweet actually. There's loads of little bits in here because it was the first one, and yeah. So first crochet hook, 3.5mm. It's got these spots on it in yellows, golds and mint colours. We've then got some little sticky notes. So the top one says "be inspired," the second one says "love," and then the bottom one's got a ball of yarn. So they're perfect for marking your different projects that you want to do and putting little notes on from when you're working from something. You've also got a tape measure, retractable tape measure, which is perfect to put in your bag when you're going away or when you've got a project on the go, and it's perfect to help you measure things when you need to work to a measurement as opposed to a size or a stitch count. This is perfect for when you're working to a measurement. Oh, it's a little book. This one's a little notebook. So but first crochet, it's just got lined paper inside, so it's perfect for writing down notes for your projects. And this one comes with 3 progress keepers or stitch markers. You've got a ball of yarn, one that says "but first crochet," and then the other one has a pair of scissors, a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Hopefully you can see those, which I think are really sweet. And it's nice to get the 3 because every single one afterwards has only had 1, so this is a really special box. Again, you've got safety eyes to go with the stuffing, your cheat sheet of all your abbreviation. Now this box doesn't come with a code to get into the videos because it only just started out. They actually emailed the code out to people so that they could get into the videos that way. And lastly, you have your booklet as always. So you can see on the front you've got Sarah Jane. She's wearing the mittens that are in this book. So we have the fingerless mittens. There is this really cute little teddy bear plushie, and then you've got these little, are they booties? Yeah, little booties at the bottom, which are really cute. Oh, and there's a wall hanging as well, so there's actually 4 projects in this box. Didn't know that. So you have Tea and Chat with Tony Lipsy, who's one of the designers for this box. And then you've got the mittens. So they actually look really simple. I think they were probably half crochet, half trebles. And you've got like a star pattern and a bobble pattern. So I haven't tried the star stitch yet, so that would be really nice to work on that one. I'm not sure I would do it in those colours that came with the box, but we shall see. I may have to go rogue. I'm very good at going rogue. And then we've got our little spread and tells us what we've got in each box. As always, we've got that wall hanging that I mentioned, which has got a diamond pattern, which is rather sweet. And it's a great way to learn how to use different colours as well in one piece and work from a chart. And you've got a little bit of chat on the West Yorkshire Spinners Bo Peep yarn, which is great. I haven't used the Bo Peep yarn before. I've seen them in stores, but I haven't actually used them. And then we've got Penrose, a little pocket bear. He's going to be really cute to work up, and I think he might be one of those things where you can make in lots of different colours, so you've got lots of them, and they'd be really good as gifts as well, especially for little people. When I say little people, I mean children. Snap and share. Oh, it's got little tips on how to take good photos of your makes as well, which is brilliant. So I'm going to have a very good read of that. That'll be really useful. You've got your little slippers in the grey. They'll be really cute for a baby, but I don't have a little baby at the moment. And I have a nephew, but he's a bit big now. And that is it for box 1. I think actually, considering what you get in terms of accessories, this is a really lovely box, and it was perfect as a starter box, especially with the notebook. I mean, you can use that for every single box and write notes in there from each project you're on. These are perfect to keep your notes or to keep tabs on things. You've got your tape measure, crochet hook, and your free stitch markers. There's free stitch markers. That's probably why I bought this one actually. I love collecting stitch markers. And of course, your 2 balls of yarn. So that is the very first Crochet Society box. And considering that my first initial stint into getting a subscription box did not go very well, I think I would have enjoyed getting this one from the very beginning. But alas, I did not. I found it out a little bit too late to get it from the beginning. So that is box 1. Now I don't know if these are going to be back in stock anytime soon. They did restock them during lockdown and I was able to get one. But the shop has since have everything sold out, so I'm not really sure. At one point there was an offer to get this if you subscribed for 6 months or more, and that was when I subscribed, but I only subscribed to the 3 months because I wasn't sure I would enjoy 6 months. How wrong was I? So I'm going to continue my subscription and look forward to getting box 15, but for now here is box 1, just to whet your appetite a bit if you are looking to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.